Communication reports are a great way for you to monitor your campaigns and determine if you need to change some part of your communication strategy. The reports available to you in TalkBox help measure customer engagement through metrics such as open rates, click rates, and unsubscribe rates. In this video, we will guide you through reports for both an email and SMS. Navigate to the left sidebar and select Reports. This page shows a list of all your past communications with a summary of each. Here, you can compare metrics across multiple communications. At the top, you can filter your reports by date and search for reports by name. Clicking the Reuse button allows you to start a new communication using this one as a starting point. Let's look at a full report for an email by selecting the See Full Report button. Across the top are tabs that reveal further detail. The Overview tab shows similar information to what you saw in the summary, with the addition of a graph which tracks open rates over time. You can click on the thumbnail to see the full email. In this example, 709 people, or 32% of the audience, open the email, while 7, or 0.3%, have unsubscribed after receiving that particular communication, and the graph shows open rates peaked at 11:30 in the morning. Hovering over the graph will reveal data at different points in time. The Recipients tab shows a list of all the contacts you have sent the communication to, and a summary of their contact profile. Here, you can also see the status of the email and if the contact clicked any links. Clicking the View Promotion link will show you the unique flyer sent to the contact. The search bar at the top can be used to find individual contacts. The drop-down allows you to filter contacts based on a metric, such as clicked or unopened. The Tag As button gives you the ability to tag and group contacts. For example, you may want to tag contacts who didn't open the email in order to send a reminder or follow-up communication to that tagged group. To do this, select Unopened from the drop-down menu, and then click the Select All button. Click the Tag As button and give your tag a name to group these contacts for future use. You can individually select single or multiple contacts to retarget using the checkbox next to each contacts row. Select the desired contacts and then click the Send to Selected button. This will allow you to begin a new communication to send to your selected contacts. The Links tab shows you all the links that your email contained and displays how many contacts clicked that link. Click to show a list of these contacts. The Devices tab shows a breakdown of the devices your communication was viewed on. SMS reporting gives similar insights as email reporting. The Overview shows the text of your message as well as the metrics received, clicked, and unsubscribed. Clicked only applies if you have a TalkBox flyer link within your message. The Recipients tab shows details for each contact, and you can tag and group contacts the same way as with email reporting. Under the State heading, you can see whether an SMS was delivered or was undeliverable. As you can see, reporting is a fantastic tool to help you make the most out of your TalkBox account. For further tips and help, visit our support centre.